new tracks.
Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardell and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is a world's first and we're really proud to be working on absolutely stunning cars like this. So what we've got is an Audi SQ8 where we've upgraded this vehicle with a detachable swan neck system as well as a 13-pin dedicated wiring loom. So just bear in mind the date of this video, this is the world's first installation in the UK of this system. If you are new to our channel, make sure you press the subscribe button below. What that'll do, it'll keep you up to date with all of our latest videos of installations that we're carrying out here in Cambridge day in and day out. So first of all, I'd just like to thank Cambridge Audi for allowing us to work on these vehicles. If you are looking to buy an Audi SQ8 and looking for a tow bar system, feel free to get over to their website. We'll drop the link below and you can check them out. They've got some fantastic deals going on with these Audi SQ8s at the moment. So if you are looking into one, make sure you check them out. In terms of the actual installation on the Audi's SQ8, basically what's involved, sort of step by step, is basically removal of the bumper of the vehicle. What that then does is displays a crash beam, which then gets taken off. Obviously that is a safety feature of the vehicle. That then gets replaced with a tow bar. So the reason why we use on this particular install as well is a Westphalia detachable swan neck is because what you see as a customer in terms of the neck is a very small part of the tow bar. The actual bar goes all the way across, goes into those same fixing points and chassis points of the actual vehicle itself. So what you've got is that's gone on and replaced that crash beam. That crash beam does get returned to you always, just in case you want to remove this tow bar, revert it completely back to factory, and we can mount that back in there for you and return the vehicle back to stock. So that tow bar is basically mounted into factory chassis points on the vehicle. Then what you've got is the really easy to use detachable swan neck. So a lot of people think, will I remove the neck or not? It's really easy to use. Basically, all you do is twist the little holder on the right hand side of the neck and literally it just falls out into your hands. And then what you've got is a little cover that just pops in, and what that does, it stops all the road grime going into the tow bar housing. The electrics then are a 13-pin dedicated wiring loom. The 13-pin or 7-pin is obviously dependent on what you're towing. However, the fact that we've got a dedicated wiring loom onto this vehicle is the key thing here. So in terms of the system, basically what a dedicated wiring loom does, it retains all your safety features. If you're looking into tow bars, we've done a full video on why dedicated wiring looms are important. So that's very key in the fact that it retains all your safety features. You've bought this vehicle, it's packed with electrics, packed with features in terms of stability control. Your fuel systems all adjust once you've got a dedicated wiring loom in, as well as your parking sensors deactivate. So there's loads of features of dedicated wiring looms, but if you get in contact with us, we can go through all of that in a bit more detail. So that's basically a bit of an overview of the system. Basically everything goes back so you can't see a thing except from that neck, and when that neck is off the vehicle you cannot see a thing. It's a complete factory look, and that's why people travel from all over the country to us here in Cambridge for us to carry out installations to the highest possible standards. Make sure if you're new to our channel you press that subscribe button below, but hopefully you found this video useful in terms of seeing a little bit behind the scenes about what's involved on an Audi SQ8 tow bar system. And if you are local to us, feel free to just pop by. If you are based further afield, just check us out online, get in contact with us, and we can work through all the ways you can book in with us here in Cambridge. So thank you very much guys, and we look forward to upgrading your SQ8 soon. Thank you.